Uh, Hello, Mr. Shokouhi. How are you today?
I'm okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Much better now.
And how's it going with your leg?
Yeah, it's getting there. It's much better now. But I try to walk without crutches, and then when I put my weight on my leg, it starts to hurt, basically.
Mhm. Well, uh, can you you said that you've tried to walk without the crutches.
That's right.
Uh, how long can you walk without this crutches?
Well, just a few minutes, 5 minutes probably. But I spoke to the physio, and she said that I need to speak to you because I think I want to return to work. So she said I need to speak to you.
Uh-huh. And I have your X-ray results here, and it shows that your bone are healing well. Actually, something that we call a callus is formed. It's a kind of temporary bone.
Okay.
Okay, and it helps the bones to fuse better, but it's not hard enough to put weight on that,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And what we need to do now is to have these crutches for more 6 weeks.
For
Okay.
another 6 weeks. Okay.
Yeah, because we need the bone to heal completely before you return to your full movements, right?
Okay. But
Uh-huh.
I had this fracture 10 weeks ago, doctor. So
Uh,
should I wait for another 6 weeks?
uh, I can understand your concerns. It might be difficult to have these crunches for that long time, but as I can remember, your work needs bearing a lot of pressure on your foot, right?
Yeah, I used to work in I work in a retail shop, and I
Uh-huh.
have to walk around and show customers stuff and sometimes lift things. Yes.
Okay, so you can return to your work, but you need to some modification in your duties. For example, you can work as a cashier there. Okay.
Okay, cashier. I'm not sure if we need a cashier there. I need to speak to my boss. Is there anything else you think I can do?
Uh, you can work. You can also continue your exercises with the physio. Such exercises such as hydrotherapy or walking in pool uh, are extremely important for speed up your recovery.
Yeah, I'm already doing that with the physio.
Uh-huh,
She's told me about the exercises, and I also do the hydrotherapy.
uh-huh.
Uh,
Good.
so um, basically, does this mean that I cannot go back to playing football?
Uh, Unfortunately, yes, at this time, you cannot put such much pressure on your knee, on your leg, but you can plan for play football for the following season.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
that's a shame. I was looking forward to going back to playing.
I
So,
see.
right.
Is there anything else that you'd like to ask?
No, that's it, doctor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Good. Right. Okay, okay. So how does that feel?
خوب بود.
Good. Okay, so broken bone. Back to work. Okay. خوب یعنی چند؟
یعنی 8.
Structure چطور بود؟
استراکچر خوب بود.
Okay. راپو؟
راهو هم خوب بود.
فقط اون اولی شما اول گفتی آره چطوری چیکار میکنی فلان اینا بعدش بعد میگفتی که اوکی and why are you here today که من بگم که I want to go back to work okay okay بس the reason for attendance you didn't check that yeah okay so greeting کردین گفتین که آره که introduction که نمیخواست ولی reason for attendance okay why are you here today well I want to go back to work okay information gathering
خیلی کم پرسیدم فکر کنم، فقط گفتم چقدر میتونی راه بری.
okay دیگه چی باید میپرسیدین
درد و خودش گفت دیگه.
okay شما که جواب من نمیدونین که باید بپرسین چی کار میکنی okay does it require any lifting any walking so then I would say well can I go back with walking with crutches and you say how can you do that with crutches in the shop okay دیگه چی information gathering well you said how much do you walk and then when you get pain what do you do for the pain okay and then I would say I just rest and it gets better okay right and then exploring ice so I had some expectations one go back to work two go back to football and you answered those and you explored it and I asked a question I said well I've already been off I had this fracture 10 weeks ago now should I rest for another 6 weeks now جوابش چیه اون
گفتم میدونم سخته ولی باید همینه دیگه، همینه که هست.
yeah بس بعد بگیم چی with I mean considering your x-ray I think you need another 6 weeks okay just have a and the bone has not formed completely so based on your x-ray and there is no specific time but based on your x-ray you need another 6 weeks you probably need another 6 weeks okay بس باید جوابش بدیم دیگه نمیشه که جوابشو ندیم اگه ایگنورش بکنین که نمیشه دیگه حالا من نخواستم که گیر بدم بگم که نه حالا بگو چرا پس 6 weeks okay good yeah, so it was 8 out of 10 information giving chunking and checking خوب بود یا نه
کردم.
okay attentive listening skills
گفتم یه چند تا آهایی گفت.
good okay empathy
امپاتی هم نشون دادم.
کی با امپاتی باید کجا نشون میدی؟ یعنی کجا نشون دادی؟
همونجا که گفت مشتی چفتم داشتم، حالا بازم داشته باشم، گفتم میدونم این سخته.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I understand it must be difficult. Good. Okay. قبوله. دیگه چی اونجایی که میگفت که well, it becomes painful when I walk.
آها.
Mm.
Sorry to hear that مثلا.
Sorry to hear that. Okay. Uh, right. So any pain, any difficulty, any problems, we show some empathy. Say, yeah, I know it's yeah, I understand. It must be hurting. Okay.
Mhm.
Good.